There we go, a bit of wind blowing. No echo. Okay. It's now 4:15. It's time to think about moving, and I can see coral fern not only down there on this side, but also directly through there. So it might be a case of just walking along now and intersecting it somehow on our way out. So we're basically on the journey out now, but intersecting the coral fern on the way out. I'm still looking for this peninsula swamp, evergreen swamp vegetation that was up here. It was on a rocky outcrop. Maybe it's there. Yeah, maybe the rocky outcrop is there. I can check with the Google. Oh, there's another bit of coral fern there. Okay, so we've got two bits of coral fern. One there. We've got the big one here. And we've got some down here on this side, and we got it over there. So, okay, so probably that rocky bit that has the evergreen at the front of it is there. Oh, and the coral fern goes right up to it. Do you think I want to push it? Oh, do you want to push it, fellas? Got to be out here. They lock the gates at 5. You'd be kicking yourself if there was some banana. Because look at that, the coral fern goes right up to that rocky outcrop. You'd be kicking yourself, wouldn't you? Or what do you reckon, fellas? I just leave it and that will be another day coming down to that rocky outcrop. Yeah, come on. Safe course of action. We can always come back tomorrow. We can look on Google Maps tonight, and we got those 3 locators, the little bit of coral fern, the major coral fern, the little seat there, and our thing there, which is opposite there, which we photographed from the other side. So we got quite a lot of triangulation points to pinpoint that rocky outcrop up there, and we can always come back tomorrow and try and actually walk straight down to it. Oh, look at that drumstick, lovely. So nice. Nice one there too. Nice young one. I mean, as you can see the rocky outcrops here. And oh yeah, look at that there. I mean, if I was out there, that would make a lovely shot. I don't know if I can do it with my hand out there. Probably be blurred. But anyway. Oh, that's nice. But oh, coming down and across. Oh, yeah, nice green feather. Well, I can see a little bit of that evergreen swamp vegetation there, so maybe it's actually here, but I think it's actually down there. So, but I can triangulate it tonight on Google. Got enough information now. 3 bits of information on one side and a back engineered photograph the other way. That's enough data points for triangulation. It's like one of those protractor things you have at the for cutting a circle. Oh, and finding the centre of a circle and things like that. Well, here we go. This might be the shot of the trek. Well, we're down to where we were looking down to before, and it's time to yeah. Well, there we go. And another shot of the coral fern from on the other side with the tree in front of it. Okay. Oh wow, now that's That's a shot. Here we go. I've got to stop gas bagging like this. I've got to really start to push myself now. Well, this looks like, oh, I didn't know the camera's still running on footage. I was just taking these shots. Sorry, I wasn't talking to the camera. But yeah, look at this wall there. It runs down here. And look at that. That obviously runs over the edge there. Well, here we go. I'm glad I came. This is it. This is worth coming here now. There's some lovely fern in there. Ah, yeah, look at that. Evidence of that cyanofighter we have at home. And a lovely shot along there. And along here. Whoa. And look at that. I think these are shots of... now I would have thought you might have had like a banana sticking out of there or something, but look at that up there. I think it's up there. Probably out of focus. I need to do this like macro, so time to stop the thing and do things in macro, I think.